Hello everybody, my name is Pascal Bibow. I'm Managing Director of the Plastics Innovation Center at the Institute of Plastics Processing in Industry and Craft at the RWTH University in Germany. I'm happy to meet you at the 2022 Toolmaking Day hosted by Letos at Celje Fairgrounds as part of the international fair. The event will bring together more than 80 representatives of the toolmaking industry and representatives of government, support and networking organizations. Also this year, with guest lecturers like me and other participants, we will network on the most important professional event of the Slovenian tool and automotive industry. The central place of the Toolmaking Day will be dedicated to networking, both with B2B meetings and international industrial fair. This enables companies not only to get to know potential partners, but also to upgrade the meeting with concrete presentations about their products and search for common challenges. The attention of the professional part of the event will again this year be focused to Industry 4.0 and the illustration of its practical applications in industrial companies. Therefore, I will be happy to present to you what we at the Institute of Plastics Processing are up to when it comes to topics like smart factory infrastructures and database services. In 2020, we started a publicly funded project to build up a smart factory-like research infrastructure with completely interconnected plastics processing technologies. The construction of this Plastics Innovation Center 4.0 is funded by the state of North Rhine-Westphalia in Germany and by the European Regional Development Fund. At the Toolmaking Day 2020, I will now present to you some of our key challenges in not only physical construction of this smart research infrastructure, but also in planning and managing the material and information flow. So, see you soon in Celje in April 2022 at the Slovenian Toolmaking Day, hosted by Letos.